Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. In this video, we are going to learn to create quiz in Google Form. We will make online quiz exam with Google Forms and it is really very easy. Please watch the whole video and you will really have a satisfaction once you will create your own quiz. Let's get started. So open any of your favorite browser and type Google Form. Once you have typed it, the very first result will be https google.com free online form creator. So I'll just click on that and you just have to sign in from the top. So once you have signed in, you will get a window like this. Start a new form. So here we get many options and here we need to click on template gallery. Now once we do that, now since we are going to create question answers quiz, I'll just scroll it down and here you will find in education, you will find blank quiz. So we just need to click on that. And once you click on that, a new window will appear. Learn about quizzes in Google Forms, take a tour, and no thanks. So I'll just click on no thanks. Now here we need to type the question. So I'll just give an example. Which OS is recently launched by Microsoft? This is just a question, just example question. It's a multiple choice. I'll select option 1 and here I'll type Windows 9 and then I can give another option Windows 12 and the third option Windows 11. Now if you want to add more, you can do that, and once you're done, now we also need to select answer key. So I'll select Windows 11 and we can give points as well. So I'll give 10 points and I'll click on done. So I have added the answer here. So when someone will click on that, he will get 10 points. And once you're done with this, you can add the question like this. So once I have entered this question, you can type another question like test, and here I'll just mention A and second will be B, and I can answer key will be B and I'll give 10 points for the same. So I have created two questions here, and then I'll go to responses and select if we want to accept the responses or not. There are instances that after some time we do not want the responses. So here you can turn off or turn on the responses. And then we will go to settings. Now here the first thing is make this quiz, assign point values, set answers, automatically provide feedback, and release marks immediately after each submission. If you want to give your user instant results, you can select immediately after each submission. And here the responded settings which you can read. These are the very basic things which you can do. And once you click on send, here you can send it via email, you can add to, you can type the subject and you can type the message, or you can simply give this link. You can shorten the URL like this, and I'll just copy this one and I'll just paste it here and I'll just enter, and see here we have got this, and here we have got this quiz. So user can select the answer, and once it submits, the user gets the instant result. So you can try it by yourself. It is absolutely free and I'm sure that you will enjoy it. And if you have really enjoyed the video, please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.